Look, I've been sent these called Mystic Midnight Petunias from Thomson Morgan. So I'm going to put them on and see how we get on, shall we? But yeah, all looking well. I'm just giving them a quick water just before I put them on. So yeah, we sent these for free. So we'll just see how they get on, but they look really healthy plants. So yeah, the good thing about these Thomson Morgan, they come with these instructions here. So just get a quick tip guide there. If you want to take any cuttings, you can go on the Thomson Morgan website and put in my Happy Sowing, Happy Growing, and the quick little video there that tells you how to take petunia cuttings. But I'll show you how I put these on first. All you need is 9 centimetre pots, some good quality. I like to use a peat based compost, but you can use peat free as well. Not a problem at all. So fill it probably an inch and a half from the top, and then gently filling around. Give it a good tap, give it a press down. That's one out of the way. But yeah, these are really good healthy plants. These, look at the quality of those. Dead pleased with these. I will start feeding these twice a week straight away, because they'll come on leaps and bounds. These petunias are hungry little plants, but if you feed them right, you end up with some really nice full body plants that you can also take cuttings off. Some of these are like probably 7 or 8 inches tall. When I prune them back, what I do with the prunings is just root them on, and then you're left with plenty of plants. But yeah, as you can see there, that's what you want. Champion little root system, brilliant, nice and healthy, no disease on any of them. If you get any damaged leaves like that, not a problem, just nip it off. That's all you need to do. But yeah, you can see there, look at these, already all them side shoots. As soon as this gets probably this high, nip the top out, then the side shoots will come, and you want to nip the side shoots out as well. Then you end up with a really compact bushy plant that goes great in hanging baskets, pots, even in the front of your borders. They look great. So yeah, I'll just get some more of these potted on. Like I said, a lot of people like to use peat-free compost. Now, if you get a good quality one, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you can't afford it as well, because I tend to find it's a little bit more expensive at the moment, when it comes down in price, I'll start using it. You have my promise on that. It's just the price that stops me using it at the moment. I get this, I get 5 of these 120 or 25 litre bags delivered, because I get through that much. Probably get 3 or 4 of them orders every year. But yeah, these are looking really well. But yeah, that's a little catalogue that comes with them, showing you the rest of the petunias, the rest of the bedding plants they do. Once you've got these potted up, like so. Once they're potted up like so, you want to give them a good water them from the top, but then also put them in a tray so they wick it from the bottom. And then I shall start feeding these. I'll probably give it half food first couple of weeks, and then go up to full strength after that. And these will be great for my hanging baskets, anything like that. So yeah, if you've got any questions regarding petunias, how to grow them, how to take cuttings, anything like that, please just follow my channel and just message me. If you like the videos, please subscribe, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.